Morning, my dear students. Welcome to online maths class. Today we are going to see about equivalent ratios and comparison of ratios. Already we learned what is equivalent ratio. Yes, equivalent means equal to the given ratio. So the first sum is Kumaran has rupees 600 and wants to divide it between Vimala and Yalini in the ratio of 2:3. Who will get more and how much? Hence, first here they are giving the whole amount, that is 600. And that 600 we want to divide it between Vimala and Yalini. They are giving in the ratio. We want to get it into the amount. The ratio is 2:3. Yes, so if you are dividing into the two persons, first we should find how much amount. So first what we have to do, how many number of parts it have, first we want to find. Let's move on to the solution part. And ratio is 2:3. Therefore, we should convert into the parts, 2 parts and 3 parts. From the 2 and 3 parts, if you are adding, we will get 5 equal parts. From the 5 equal parts, we are going to get 2 parts and 3 parts. How to find that? That is, Vimala gets 2 parts out of 5 parts and Yalini gets 3 parts out of 5 parts. So, want to find the amount, so that amount Vimala gets is equal to rupees 600 into 2 by 5. If you are multiplying with the parts 2 by 5, 5 divided by 600, we will get 1 5 is 5. In 600 we have 125s. In 600 we have 125s. So 120 into 2, we will get 240. This is a amount for Vimala's. Move on to the next. Amount Yalini gets is equal to rupees 600 into 3 by 5. Therefore, the how many 5s in 600? Yes, 125s in 600. Then 1 5 is 5. So 120 into 3, which is equal to rupees 360. So Vimala received 240 rupees and Yalini received rupees 360. From the given amounts, who will get more? Yes, Yalini gets more. By how much? 360 minus 240, which is equal to 120. So, Vimala gets lesser than Yalini. Yes, my dear, did you understand the sum, how to divide the given amount into both persons? Move on to the exercise sum, exercise 3.2. The first question, fill in the blanks of the given equivalent ratios. In the first question, 3:5 is equal to 9:. So, we have 3 forms of ratio. One is ratio form, second one is fraction form, and the third one is simplest form. From the given ratio, we should write into fraction form and then we will get the answer. So, let's move on to the solution part. Yes, 3:5 is equal to 9:. First, write the given ratio into fraction form, that is 3 by 5, which is equal to 9 by 15. So, which number we are multiplying by 3? We will get 9. Yes, if you are multiplying the 3 by 3, we will get 9. So, the same way in a fraction, if you are multiplying numerator by one number, the denominator should multiply by the same number. So, 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. So, we will get the answer 15. 3:5, which is equal to 9:15. Move on to the second sum, 4:5, which is equal to -10. So, first we should write into the fraction form, that is 4 by 5, which is equal to dash by 10. Which number you multiplied by 5, we will get 10. Yes, if you are multiplying 5 by 2, we will get 10. So, if you are multiplying the denominator as 2, the same number should multiply by the numerator. So, 4 into 2, which is equal to 8. So, the answer is 4:5 is equal to 8:10. Move on to the third sum. 6 is to dash is equal to 1 is to 2. We should interchange the question into 1 is to 2 which is equal to 6 is to dash. If you are getting like this only, we can find the answer. So, write the 1 is to 2 into fraction form, that is 1 by 2 which is equal to 6 by 12. Which number you are multiplying by 1, you will get 6. Yes, if you are multiplying by 6, we will get 6. So 1 into 6 is equal to 6 means, so 2 we have to multiply it by 6. So 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So the answer is 6 is to 12 which is equal to 1 is to 2. This is the way to find the equivalent ratios. Move on to the second sum. Complete the table. The first question is, the feet is given and the inches also given. The feet are 1, 2, 3 and the fourth question we want to find. And the next inches are 12, 24, question mark 72. From the above we can understand, that is in the given question is in the table of 12. So 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24. So how many 12s are in 3? So 3 12s are 36. Now move on to the next, that is the given question is in 72. We want to find how many 12s in 72. How many 12s in 72? Yes, there are 6 12s in 72. So answer is 6. We find the answer for both the questions, that is 6. Here is 36. Did you understand, my dears? The second question is your homework. Move on to the third. True or false? True or false? First question, 5 is to 7 is equivalent to 21 is to 15. Here we should write the number as, the ratio as into fraction form. That is 5 is to 7. 5 by 7. They are giving the question as equivalent. So we should write equal to 21 by 15. In 5 table there is no 21. Also in the 7 table there is no 15. So they are not equivalent ratio. The answer is false. The second question, if 40 is divided into the ratio of 3 is to 2, the larger part is 24. In the ratio itself we can understand the more number of parts is 3. So 3 means we will get more, that is 24. So the answer is true. The last question, give two equivalent ratios. Give two equivalent ratio means we should find the ratio in the equivalent form of 2. The first question is 3 is to 2. So write the number 3 is to 2 in terms of fraction, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 we should multiply it by 2 table and 3 table. So 3 by 2 into 2 by 2 which is equal to 6 by 4. Next we should multiply the number by 3 by 3. That is 3 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3 which is equal to 9 by 6. We find two equivalent fraction. We should convert them into ratio, that is 3 is to 2 is equal to 6 is to 4, that is equal to 9 is to 6. So if we find the equivalent ratio for 3 is to 2. Again we want to find other two sums also. Today's session is completed. Today's homework is exercise 3.2, question number 2, second sum, and question number 4, second and third sum. Did you understand today's session, my dears? Yes. Thank you.